I'm Michelle here at Vitzellen Distillery, and we're delighted to be a part of the North Carolina Virtual Seafood Festival this year. We will be making a Vodka Gimlet for you using our Vitzellen Distillery award-winning vodka, Vitzellem. And the Vodka Gimlet is a simple recipe. You just use basically Vitzellen Vodka and some Rose's lime juice. So first we're going to measure out 3 ounces of the Vitzellen Vodka. And then 1 ounce of the Rose's lime juice. We'll give it a good shake. I've already got a chilled Martini glass. You can always stick it in the freezer for a few minutes and that'll work too. This just helps to keep your Martini chilled for the whole time while you're drinking it. And then I like to garnish it with the lime, and a lot of times I'll go around the rim, so it leaves a nice little lime taste to it. And there you go, very simple. Now another way that you can do it as well is on the rocks. So, do that. And then you can also do it with a simple syrup as well, instead of the Rose's lime juice, and you can use some fresh lime. So what I'll be using is 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. And about a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Give it a good shake. I'm going to add the vodka. And we're going to go with 3 ounces of the vodka as well. And a simple syrup, just in case you don't know, is just equal parts of sugar and equal parts water. And to get about 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, you use about 1/2 of a lime. And you just pour it over the rocks, and you're all set. And again, I like to garnish it with a lime. You're all set. These are 2 easy ways to make a vodka gimlet at home using our award-winning Vitzellen Distillery Vitzellem Vodka.
Cheers!
Cheers!